Warning, the following video is epic. Hello everybody and welcome back to another okNobleDev video and another video on my Unity indie game. And today we're going over the map system. But before we get started, help out the channel grow because we're at 104 subscribers right now. Okay, 10. Alright. Anyway, not funny. Anyway, we're going over the map system. Anyway, watch the whole video because it helps out the video in a multitude of different ways. First time I've said that word. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, only if you like the video and like the channel. And comment down below what you want me to add to this game. And speaking of this game, well, I mean the whole video is about this game. But if you haven't seen this game before, or you want a little refresher, it's a game that will have a mini open world, and every time you level up, a wave of enemies will come after you through a portal right here in the middle of the world. Its combat will be focused on magic, and we'll have a lot of creatures to discover. The main inspiration is Terraria, if you've ever seen that game before. And as I said a mini open world. So what do open world games tend to have? They tend to have a map. So let's just go straight into it. Alright, so everything's subject to change, but I'm just going to explain how all this stuff works and everything I've added, I guess, since last video. As you can see, there's a couple icons on the screen. One represents the player, and one represents something else that we're going to go over in a little bit. So as you can see, there's this fog, right? If I go back, and I go over here a little bit, the fog moves a bit. So basically, like, this is your range of view with the map. And you might be wondering, how do you get more of a range of view? Because you currently can't really see anything. You can't even see the other icon anymore because the fog is kind of covering it. So if I go back over here, check out the previous videos, by the way, where I go over a quintuple jump, which is like 5 jumps in a row, and some of the other devlogs. I'll just put the whole playlist in the corner of the screen right now. But anyway, I go up to this thing, and as you can see right here, that's the range of view. Not the official name of that, by the way. But check it out. I pressed F next to that thing. I really don't know the name of it. Currently, it's just called a map expander. But now there's a lot more room. I tried to climb up over there. Forget it. We're just gonna go back over here. So look it. So it not only accounts for the players, because as you can see, it's making a little dent right here. It also accounts for that. So basically, you go around the map and activate these things, and they would give you a lot of range of view, I guess. Does that even make sense? Range of view? I don't know. Comment down below what you think right now. There's still a little bit more I have to show though. So there's the arrow keys on the keyboard, right? So if I press them, pressing down, pressing up, pressing left, pressing right, I can move around. And even if I go all the way over here, right, then I press M for the map, by the way, it goes straight back to the player. It's a really cool feature. And notice how it does take away the HUD elements as well. See? Right here. Here's something that took a while for me to add, and if you've seen one of the previous devlogs where I go over being able to change the HUD, like different HUD modes, like you can see like without the text, with no HUD at all, and like that. But if I go with this version without the text, go into the map, right? Go back, and it saves that, just like if I went to the map with no HUD and then went back, then there's that. One last thing in terms of moving around the map, basically, is if I hold shift while pressing the arrow keys, I can move a lot further. You know, with the whole thing like of the fog moving and stuff, like that's not really an intended effect. But anyway, I think you've seen enough. Tell me what you think. And yeah, just support the channel because we're going for the subscriber goal is probably 200 right now. So hopefully you can help me get there. I'll see you in the next one where I'll be going over, I don't know, I honestly don't really know what I'm gonna go over. I guess probably something to do with these spells. So yeah, that's about it. See you in the next one.